Hindi ya gĩikaro na andĩki a mohoro taũni-inĩ ya Nanyuki, aikari gũkũ no mathiĩte na mbere na kuonania kwaga kũiganĩra kwao nĩ itua rĩa thirikari rĩgiĩ gwakwo gwa ceceni ya keheri-inĩ ya arwaru a mũrimũ wa Ebola arĩa nĩ raiya a bũrũri wa Amerika.
Are willing and ready to defend our town by any means necessary. We will fight this government in the corridors of justice. We will also fight them in the streets of Nanyuki.
Merekeirie marakara mao kuri Minister Aden duale ni kuoneka kwihura githuri ndereti-inĩ ĩno.
Duale, tunakwambia umekula sasa, unatutapikia tu viatu kwa viatu huko meza sasa, umechiba unaongea mambo ya kidogo.
US government issued an advisory on travel to Kenya, like telling their members and countrymates not to travel to Kenya and to be aware about that. So that really implicates matters tourism.
We want to ask the cabinet secretary, because this facility is for American citizens, it does not specify that they come from DRC. What about the Americans who get this disease in the United States? Will they be shipped to Nanyuki because they've said they do not want it there?
Aikari maugite no nginya mawoni mao mathikiririo ni amu gwakwo gwa ceceni ĩno gũkũ kũramahutia ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe.
We also have information that there is massive ongoing construction at Laikipia Air Base, and we are in the process of filing a contempt of court application. However, we do not have evidence. In light of that, we do call upon the community and the society at large.
Kiri uguo maugite mirurungano no iguthie na mbere ya guthinyiriria thirikari guteaniria waki uyu.
I know Kenyans fear nothing, but Ebola is where we draw the line. We are not Wakanda.
We shall be marching again on the 9th of June 2026, that is on Tuesday, tupatane pale Central Park. Reject Ebola, reject Ebola.
Githui wa Wairimu, Laikipia.